Hello friends, welcome to InternetWorks. My name is Edgar C. Francis. In this video we will see the configurations of the layer 3 EtherChannel. As you can see the topology over here, we have two layer 3 switches and two layer 2 switches and couple of PCs. You can see the IP address for this LAN network and this 20.1.1.1 network. To configure the layer 3 EtherChannel, the most important command is no switch port. Because if we not configure the no switch port command, then it will become a layer 2 EtherChannel. So let's get started. We take the switch 3, which is this, and then configure terminal, and we take the range. The range is Ethernet 0/0 to 0/3, so 0/0 to 0/3, and the important command, no switch port. This port is not a switch port, it's not a layer 2 switch port. Okay, now we configure the channel group. So channel group and number 10, the mode I'm using on. Okay, you can see here creating a port channel interface, port channel 10. Okay, now we configure the IP address on that port channel. Okay, so interface, let me exit over it. Exit. Okay, so interface and port channel and 10. Okay, now we configure the IP address. The IP address is over here 192.168.12.1. so 192.168.12.1 and the mask. Okay, no shutdown. Okay, exit. So now we configure the VLAN. We are going to put this interface in that VLAN. So interface Ethernet 1/0 and switch port mode access, and then switch port access VLAN 1. Okay, now we configure the IP address on that VLAN 1. Exit and interface VLAN 1 and the IP address 1 is IP address is 10.1.1.1 255.0.0.0. no shutdown. Okay, this IP address is also the default gateway for these PCs. Okay, so now we configure some routing. To enable this, we have to give the command IP routing. Okay, now we configure some EIGRP router, EIGRP 100. We have two networks. One network is 10 dot and another one is 192.168.12 dot. So 192.168.12.0 and the network we have LAN in 10.0.0.0. okay, exit. Okay, the same command, same configurations we are going to give on switch 4. So let's take our switch 4 here and we give the range interface range Ethernet 0/0 to 3 and no switch port, it's not a switch port, and we can configure some channel group. So channel and group 10, mode is on. Okay, now exit. Now we configure the IP address on this port channel. So interface port channel 10 and we give the IP address is 192.168.12.2 255.255.255.0. no shutdown and exit. Now we configure the IP address on this VLAN 1. So by default all the ports in the VLAN 1. So let me verify. To show IP interface, to show VLAN, you can see our 1/0 is in VLAN 1. So good. So we directly configure the IP address on this VLAN 1. So interface VLAN 1 IP address is 20.1.1.1 255.0.0.0 and no shutdown. Exit. To configure the routing on the switch, we have to give the command IP routing. Okay, IP routing. No. Okay, now we configure the EIGRP in order to establish a neighborship between these switch 2 and switch 3 and switch 4. So EIGRP 100, we have the two networks, 192.168.12.0 and another one is 20.0.0.0 and no exit. Okay, you can see the neighborship is up. Okay, so now let's go to the switch 3 sorry, and verify, show EtherChannel. You can see we have layer 3 EtherChannel. You can see group state, and we have 4 ports in that channel. Now let's see the port channel. Okay, so these ports are in the port channel 0/0, 0/1, 0/2, 0/3. Okay, the port state is port channel layer 3. Okay, so this is how you can configure the layer 3 EtherChannel. Now let's ping 20.1. let's ping the 192.168.12.2. You can see the success rate 100%. Now we try to ping the 20 dot network, 20.1.1.1.1. You can see. So this is how you can configure the layer 3 EtherChannel. So I hope you like this video. If you like, please give a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much.